Hi VHHS families, my name is Mr. Wolf, and the reason for this video cast is to teach you a little bit more about me and the classes I teach at Vernon Hills High School. First, I'll take you through my website. If you want to reach my website, go to www.mrwolfscience.com. Here you'll find my teaching schedule where I'm teaching AP Biology this year. You can also follow me on Twitter to see what's going on in class, or if you'd like to get a hold of me, you can email me at chris.wolf@d128.org or call and leave me a voicemail. It's probably quickest to email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now let's talk a little bit more about myself. This is my 16th year at Vernon Hills High School, and as you can see, I've taught a lot of other subjects. This is also my 18th year teaching. You can see I've been involved in extracurricular activities, though this year I'm no longer coaching girls cross country, but I still enjoy being part of the athletic program by working events and seeing our kids participate in all kinds of activities. I'm also a Nearpod certified educator, a Quizlet teacher ambassador, and Edpuzzle coach. As you can see, I like using technology in my classroom. I'm a graduate of the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign with a major of teaching of biology and a minor in secondary education. I also have my master's degree from Concordia University of Chicago in curriculum and instruction. The last thing on this page I'd like to talk about is a little bit more about my family. My wife Lisa teaches first grade at Butterfield Elementary School, and she's been teaching in District 70 for 18 years. We have two girls, Kylie 8, Tessa 6, who both go to Adler Elementary School. Kylie is in 3rd grade and Tessa's in 1st. We really enjoyed our summer this past year. We got to go to Disney and see lots of friends and families, and are really looking forward to a great school year. Next, I'd like to take you to my AP Biology page and talk to you a little bit more about this class. On the AP Biology page, you'll find a lot of resources regarding AP Biology. I'm going to take you through the syllabus, but you can also find links to AP Classroom, Mastering Biology, and the AP Biology Quizlet I create for the students. You can also follow along this calendar and keep track of important dates that are going on in our class. But let's take a look at the syllabus. Now, I'm not going to go over the whole syllabus with you. I encourage you to read it at some point, but let me talk about some highlights. First, the course summary. This course is designed to be the equivalent of a college-level biology course. This will cover about 2 semesters worth of college biology. The emphasis of my course is on developing an understanding of concepts rather than memorizing terms and accumulating facts. In addition to the AP Biology 4 Big Ideas, this course also places special emphasis on 7 science practices that will get your child thinking like a scientist. Thus, there are 3 important goals for this class. 1, cover the content in a matter equivalent to an intro-level biology course. 2, providing laboratory experiences that will be done in a matter equivalent to an intro-level biology course. And 3, preparing your child for the AP Biology exam. You can look at the information about our textbook. Every student should have gotten a hard copy of the textbook to take home, but they also have an online version that they can use at school or wherever they can bring their Chromebook. You can take a look at the 8 units that we cover in AP Biology and how they're aligned to the textbook, and also you can get an idea of when the assessments might be. Now, these assessments are only tentative, and we've already pushed one test back a few days, but this gives the students an idea of when we'll be testing, giving us plenty of time to get ready for the AP exam. Speaking of the AP exam, it will occur on May 11th, on Wednesday, at 12 p.m., unless the College Board decides to change things again. Hopefully this year we'll be all taking paper exams, which is what I'll be preparing your kids to do. If you take a look at my homework policies, I believe homework is a chance to practice new skills and learn new materials and to make mistakes. Therefore, homework will not be graded on correctness, but on completeness. Although homework is not graded for correctness, I still think it's important that kids give their best effort, and in my experience, those who do their homework to the best of their ability are the most successful on exams than those who do not. A big part of AP Biology is the lab work. We are to spend 25% of our class time in lab, and I typically spend a lot more. You can read over our lab policies and where I get my labs from, but most importantly, hopefully your child has talked to you about buying a District 128 lab notebook for all their lab reports. I believe this gives kids an authentic experience in biology, which is very similar to what they'll be doing in college. As far as how assessments and grades are going to work, this year, assessments will be worth 60% of your child's grade, and labs, projects, other class assignments will be 40%. You will also notice on the gradebook there'll be progress checks. Those do not count towards the grade, but I feel they are very important to assess and use as a learning tool. Something new I'm trying this year is that all assessments will have retake opportunities, and I'll be talking to your students about those opportunities once we take our first assessment. You can read about how the assessments will work. My goal is to basically model them off the AP exam, and this time, in lieu of a final exam first semester, we'll be taking a midterm assessment that will be worth the same amount of points as any other assessment. Therefore, there'll be no 20% assessment grade added to the final exam this year. The last thing I'd like you to take a look at on the AP Biology syllabus is the supplies your student will need for class. Probably the most important thing for your student to do this year is stay organized. So I highly recommend them getting a binder to keep all the handouts that I give and all the other course materials that are required for class. So after you've taken a look at the course syllabus in more detail, I'd like you to click on this link here to let me know that you've understood it, and please feel free to email me with any questions. I'm excited to spend another year teaching AP Biology and really looking forward to meeting you all at Open House. Thanks for watching.